Hey everybody, it's Jerry, and today I'm going to show you how to make an orange pistachio cake. Now this cake has a lot of interesting flavors to it that combined really are unique, and I think you're going to love it. It looks really nice too, so let me show you how to do it. We're going to start off by taking 2 medium oranges and place them in a pot of boiling water. Let them boil for about 30 minutes. Once they're cooled, remove any seeds, slice them up and place them in a food processor and puree those oranges until they're nice and smooth in the food processor. And then just set that aside for a minute. Now we're going to take a large mixing bowl and place 3 teaspoons of psyllium husk in it, along with a half a cup of water. Mix that up and just let that sit for a minute to thicken. Next, we're going to add a half a cup of plain vegan yogurt, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and the orange puree. And mix that all together. Then we're going to add in 1 cup of almond flour and 1 cup of pistachios that have been ground in a food processor, finely ground, along with 2/3 of a cup of tapioca flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of xanthan gum, and just mix that all together. And then we're also going to add in a half a teaspoon of cardamom and a 1/4 teaspoon of rose water extract. Mix that in and just stir this pretty vigorously for a minute. Just sort of beat it by hand. It'll thicken up a little bit. And then we're going to pour that into a 9-inch spring-form pan, which has been sprayed with oil and floured with little either brown rice flour or almond flour. If you have a baking nail, go ahead and use it. It's really going to help keep the center at the same temperature as the outside. And shake the pan just to even out the batter. And move the nail to the center. Make sure it's nice and centered. And then we're going to bake that at 350 degrees for 55 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean from the center. Now for the frosting, we're going to take 1/3 of a cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom, and 1 tablespoon of water. Mix that all together until it's all nice and smooth. And just pour that over the top of the cake. And spread it out across the top, just so it's nice and even across the top. It's going to be a very thin layer. And then take some chopped pistachios and sprinkle them over the top. Just even them out and kind of press them down into that frosting a little bit. And once it's all set, it's ready to serve. Thanks everybody for watching. Please tune in next time for some more recipes, and remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.